Yeah, check out the moon. Anyway, you know what it is. I'm the guy making all the noise in the quiet neighborhood in the middle of the night. Back at it tonight, working on the rafters for the south side of the roof. I'm gonna at least get the cuts made and laid out for painting. I feel like I'm getting way too comfortable like running saws in the middle of the night. It's 11 o'clock, I'm just getting started. This is some real commitment here. Okay, well, I've been piecing together wood. You can see right there, it doesn't quite match up with the other ones I got on the end. It's a 2-inch gap. As luck would have it, I have an actual 2x4. It was part of the house. It was a piece that I salvaged from when I tore the roof apart. All the rafters are up. They're secured on the bottom by one screw. I need to get another screw on each side, and I need to get them secured up at the top. They're just floating up there right now. So off to Home Depot to get some more screws. And my flashlight's about toast for tonight, but all those plates are up there. All the rafters are up and secured. Check it out, it looks pretty cool. It's been like 10-12 weeks since I was out here at least. I've got sucked into some side job, and that's eaten up every weekend that I've had for like the last 12 weeks. So that's finally gotten done. I got my mojo back. So having all that downtime, I looked at this window for quite a while and I just was not happy with the size of it. So I decided to change it. Got the window changed, added some extra framing, and I added some other framing to all these other windows that needed it. And at this point, I want to say all the framing is done. So this back wall, I am going to put up some plywood. I don't have to, but I'm going to put up plywood on the inside just to give it a little bit more strength and rigidity. Alright, check it out. That really changed the feel of things in here. Now I just got to put a little strip up on the top, finish screwing this all down, and then this back wall will be done and ready for the lathing and plastering phase. Okay, all the wood is up and it's all screwed off. This wall is done and ready for lathing and plastering.